President Jongka Voice of the People Party VPP uba Arden Mila Basaiman hakalai puai trik naitung ulat herting ya Sorkar Jylla da kabaong kajing penong ya public hearing bayade berkasri cement limited kadaitang jingpyndep rukom da kababu jingkeliru ya jingkren jong sumbut menteri rangba Jylla uba President tensong uba laong kibun kibriu kibakershan banyi kibapersha Habakran Shakilat Kaikubor uba Arden ulakhat ya ketika public hearing kum kebalapan baik lupa bat kebalik shiliang bat ulabu jingkeli bakum no ka Sorkar keladap lupa ya ka jingmi na ka hearing wat hashwa ban penong ya ka kum no ka Sorkar keladap lupa shwa ka sngi ban penong ya ka public hearing bagi dan kambun kiba kershan banyi kiba persha bu jingkeli uba Arden na kani ngila ban sngut hu lupa bak ke balaja kedai lupa ke benta balapan kre jong ke Sorkar. Kari kam dei satya ke public hearing ke bakhut bat ke bam syak liang ulaang. Uni undang yalam ke VPP ula keno bagi borsen syar kila trei ban pentikna na ke benta ke jingat bed jong ka jingalang syak liang jong ke company da ka bak dauru halur ki kubor bayadei bat ka jingti eki serak bat ka jingkeno penan kambor jong ki polit ban khanglat eki nong shong shnong bakin poi syak ketika jaka bat penlong ya ka public hearing nila yo iya ka jingpenan kami ketiar siat persya ya ki nong shong shnong ban penting pensmi eki beriu kenang bakin omlet syak te ka jingalang le se de na ka ni ka daw baya ki ba persya la khanglat ban poi syak te ka jingyalang ulaang uba Arden ula ong baka VPP ke penram jor ya ke Sorkar halor ke ke ba ula khat ke jingle ke bamdan ya ke jingkit kli ula kamru baki ladon bon ngot ki beriu ki bala mensaw bat ya kendu jing ha ka te kathan da ka bak dauru halor ki khubor ki baya dei bat ke jing pendan kam da ki tendang le pensat keman ki bala kut por ne expired persya ikinong ki persya ha ka mit ni palai balala Kajing temu jong ka public hearing kalong ban sngap ya ka sur jong ki pat ba bat ya baro kiliang. Henry ki brio jong ka tikat han kim shim la yu lat satya ban let ya shim benta lani ban pen paw ya ki jing sngaw ki jong ki ula ong.
And it is very, very unfortunate that the government decides to go ahead with this public hearing, which we can safely say that this is not an impartial public hearing. This is a fixed public hearing which the government was determined that the outcome of this hearing should be positive so that they can carry out their intention and fulfill their intention after this public hearing is held. Moreover, out of this public hearing, we have seen many people have suffered, injured, and brought a lot of misery to the people in that area. As a responsible government, we never expect that it will resort to such and irresponsible steps to go ahead with this hearing. And as we are all aware that the purpose of holding a public hearing is to listen to the people, to listen to all sides of people about their feeling when it comes to the decision of the government to set up any plan or project. However, we see that the people of that area are not getting, a chance to express their feeling. They are not given an opportunity even to attend the public hearing. So therefore, we strongly condemn the government for this irresponsible action. Yes, we have also seen in the media report that the tear gas which we used last night, if I'm not mistaken, was already expired. So this has to be taken seriously, and the party will sit and dwell on this issue. But first and foremost, we strongly condemn the government for resorting to violent, for resorting to the use of force against these innocent and simple people in that village.